is Michelle and I'm back for another video. So for today's vlog guys is mag-Watson haul ako. And this is my first ever Watson's haul. And kung napanood niyo yung last vlog ko or latest videos ko, yun yung namili sa Watson's. And panoorin niyo yun guys, and ito yung binili ko doon. And mag-haul tayo dito. And isi-share ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung mga binili ko doon sa Watson's. Kung interested kayo guys, just keep on watching. The first is Abonne Spa Milk Salt. So, ito siya guys is 85 pesos. And ito siya is moisturizing, whitening, smooth, and baby skin. And meron siyang direction. Yung milk protein na is help skin to retain moisture, prevent dryness and roughness, giving your skin lasting radiance. So, super ganda din ito guys. Marami din nag-review nito and madami din nagagamit ito and effective talaga siya, lalo na pag maitim yung tuhod mo, siko, at saka doon sa mga sita. Likod ng Abonne Spa Milk Salt, andito yung directions, milk protein. Yan. Nakikita nyo yung directions. And yung iba na guys is, ano na siya, naka-Thai language, naka-Thailand. And this product guys is made for Thailand. And the next one is Soul White Korea. Soul White Korea. So, ito siya guys is instant white, tone up, whitening, milky cream. And it's made for Korea again. Yung ito is made from Thailand and this is made for Korea. Galing ito siya sa Korea. And ito yung instantly whitens, brightens, lightens spots, and moisturizer. Nandito siya guys. Yan. Ang ganda din ito. Disclaimer lang guys, this video is not sponsored. Ito lang siya guys is yung cream. Yung Soul White is marami siya. Yung toner, yung sabon. Meron din ako doon, yung sabon. And 12 pesos lang siya sa Watson's. And ito yung 12 pesos lang siya sa Watson's. Super mura lang niya. Yan. Third one is ito na siya. Yung Soul White. Yan. Ito yung sabon ng cream guys. Yan. Ito yung sabon. Ito. Ito siya yung cream and ito yung sabon. Yung Soul White Korea. And made for Korea again. Yung laman niya is yung sabon niya. Yan. Ito yun. Yan. Color white and yung smell niya is ano? Para siyang yogurt. Ganyan. Yung milk. So, and meron ka ng tatlong sabon sa 120 pesos. Ganyan. 3 for 120. From Korea again to siya guys. Yan. And the next is Lux Organic Soothing Gel Aloe Vera Snake. Ito yung mga binili ko guys sa Watson's is hindi ko pa talaga sila na-testing or na-experience na gamitin. And this is my first time. Lalo na dito. Magamit ako nito dahil maganda daw ito sa mukha. And ito siya is moisturizing, firming, brightening. Yan. Moisturizing, firming, brightening, and 95%. And this is from Lux Organic. And yung alcohol niya is free. Wala siyang alcohol. And this is made in Korea. So, ito yung Lux Organic guys is 229 pesos siya. And may 300 ml ka na. Yan. Super ganda nito. And hindi ko pa to siya nabuksan. Yung laman niya is ano, para siyang gel. Para siyang gel yung laman niya. And the next is ito. Cebu de Matcha. Yan. It is good. Maganda to siya guys pag pangpalawala ng peklat, scars na sa mga scars sa basta yung mga scars sa katawan nyo siya. And it is 26 pesos only in Watsons. Color blue siya. So yung laman niya is ito. Yan, color white lang. May yan, pwede natin. Yan. Ito siya guys, is Pampola's moisturizer siya. Sa Body Macho. Helps moisturize skin and lighten scars. Ayan, 12 gram lang siya and 26 pesos. Yan. And for the next is pimple eraser. Ayan. Hindi ko pa dito experience gamitin. And hindi ko pa siya nagamit. And ito siya is with glycolic acid. Salicylic acid ito siya. And yung benefits niya is help dry up pimples, help diminish and reduce dark spots due to scarring, helps protect skin against the sun. And ito siya is 10 gram. And nabili ko lang to. Nabili ko lang to siya is 59 pesos. 10 gram. Pimple eraser. So, meron siyang dito pang quiz. Ganyan. Ito siya is with Nasimine that helps lighten dark spots. It also helps in the treatments of acne. Yan. And the last guys is ito. Lip balm. Lip balm. Nivea yung kinuha ko. Nivea. And this. Yan. Nakikita nyo? Nivea. Ito siya is lip care brand. And ito na naman siya guys is from Korea. Korea. Kadalasan yung mga binili ko is from Korea talaga siya. And ito siya is 109 pesos. Yan. Ito yung mga directions niya. Yung mga important. Yan. And siya, pamper your lips with a delicious peach aroma and a subtle crocodile to shine. The unique formula enrich the shimmery blah 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 blah. So ito na siya guys. So konti lang yun lang yung nabili ko and konti lang talaga siya. All for today's video and I hope nag-enjoy kayong panoorin ng video na to, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel and click the notification bell for more upload video. Thank you for watching guys and see you in my next video. Bye!